Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to prepare an impressive column chart in Excel to show the target versus achieved data in a graphical format in Excel. Here you can see I have prepared a demo data for a credit card sales report, where you can see I have mentioned 4 teams. You have 4 teams and you are working in a credit card company and you want to see is your team achieving their target every day or every year or every quarter in a graphical format. So how you plot this data into a graphical format? Let's see how I will build a chart like this. So for this you have to select the data, then click on Insert tab. I have already clicked in Insert tab and click on the Insert column chart option and then just select the stacked column. Just place requirement, just select the achieved portion, select the target portion first, click on format data series, change the gap width option into 60%. Then change the, click on solid fill, change the fill color and give it a little bit of transparency. You can give a 50% transparency. Just select the target or select the achieved option and click on secondary axis, make it on secondary axis. Okay, just increase the gap width size to 150, and if you want to change the color, just click on solid fill option, just click on the color and choose the color as per your choice. So I will choose this color. And just remove the secondary axis. Click on the bar, secondary bar, and click on this option, or you can also add by clicking the by pressing the right click and add the data labels. Here we have multiple options. So I want the data in inside end, that means in the upper portion. Just select the data, go to the home tab, increase the size of the font, make it bold and If you want, you can change the color. So we are almost done. Just click here, press right click, format axis. Click on line option, take a solid line to insert a line here. In the same way, we will do the same thing for the lower portion. We'll click here solid line and it's automatically chosen black. Then we will select the grid lines and press the delete button. After pressing the delete button, so it will remove the grid lines. Chart will look like this. You need to write the heading for title for chart. So I will name it as target versus achieved credit card sales report. Just click here, make it bold, give an underline, change the font color. So if I increase the achieved value from 75 to 95, press enter, you can see this bar has increased. For team 4, if I increase the value from 80, that means they are achieved their target. So it will look like this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video,